So first things first, you want to get ready to grip the board, and you need a razor blade and someone to outline the edges, either it being a screwdriver or maybe even a file. Then with the razor blade, you're going to want to make cuts into the top of the wood so the glue from the grip tape sinks into them, making the grip tape stick better into it. Then when applying the grip tape, you want to make sure that it's equal on both sides, then outlining the board, and you want to take the file or the screwdriver and push firmly on the board, outlining the shape of the board. Now, making sure there's a good outline of the board, you can start to cut the outline with the razor blade, pushing firmly against the board. And finally, you want to rough the edges down with some of the extra grip tape. The next step is putting in the bearing. And when you put in the bearing, you want to make sure that there's no extra dirt or any extra particles, because the bearing being dirty can result in the bearing breaking. So once you insert the bearing, you want to make sure the faceplate is facing out, and you want to tighten the bolt just tight enough to where the wheel spins smoothly. Now you want to place the 4 pieces of hardware into the board and then connect the trucks, but make sure the trucks are facing the right direction with the kingpin bolt facing inward. The kingpin bolt is the main bolt in the center of the trucks, and you want to keep that tight enough just so it doesn't fall off and you end up hurting yourself. And then you want to tighten the hardware for making sure the bolts will stay on when riding, and then making sure they are tight, you're good to go.